The CJM is always excited to offer opportunities for families to explore their heritage and really their family story. So we're doing a workshop partnering with the Museum of the Jewish People in Tel Aviv, Israel, and it's called My Family Story. And so it's really essentially allowing families, these kids and their parents, to delve into roots research and oral histories and kind of explore who they are and where they came from.
And he was her dad, right?
No, her husband.
Oh, so she was the one who was in Russia?
We created a 3-part series, so families first thought about who they wanted to interview and research, and then went through a workshop learning skills in ways to interview people best. And then participants had time to do that interview, to collect objects, to collect materials that referenced that person and their story. And then participants have had 2 art making sessions to then connect the story and the materials to creating a visual sort of homage to that person and their experience.
Wait, no, San Francisco and then Seattle.
This opportunity for families to work together to create this artwork is pretty exciting, and we see a lot of families come in here and the parents aren't always feeling as free to create artwork with their kids, and so I love these workshops where it's really about working together. It's about this intergenerational connection.
Do you like it right here?
Yeah.
Oh, the one thing, sweetie, maybe we didn't think about.
Knowing your story is one of the most important building blocks to your identity that a family can give to a child.
I interviewed my great-uncle, her uncle.
And I think also that coupling your identity with creativity by creating the project is so empowering.